The things you do for a run. All right, we gotta get the sled secured, which Caliber just sent me this thing, and I haven't used it yet, but I'm excited to try it.
What is this? Oh,
so
is that a new one?
Yeah, they just came out with them. All right, 7 p.m. I got my sled loaded, got the gear loaded. I'm one sleep away from my dream day. Oh yeah.
The next day.
We're on our way to Giants Ridge this morning. Roughly 6 a.m. departure to ride my snowmobile. I wish I got the sled deck in the back of the truck. We're gonna go ride snowmobile. Haven't had my Red Bull yet, as you can tell, but I'm kind of saving it so when I get there I can be real energized. I'm gonna go up there and take a peek at the jumps quick, see what they say. This alone is a dream day for me. I'm at Giants Ridge Ski Hill. I got 2 snowcats building jumps and berms for me. That's a dream in itself. And the crazy thing is that's just the beginning of this dream today. I think we're gonna get there. I think I could jump up that hill. I just need a little more lift. I'd say we got plenty lip. That was big boy. Yeah, you got it. I don't want a pickle, just ride my snowmocycle. I don't know, what do they say?
I don't know.
It's motors. Don't want a pickle, just want to ride on my motorcycle. I had to stay committed, otherwise I was gonna run him over. The things you do for a run. Oh, nuggets. Man, I slapped into that a little aggressively, but I think one of my favorites was Travis Pastrana. He said, you're perfect for big jumps. You're like a little bowling ball. You just roll out of it. He said, for me, it's all legs and arms, breaking stuff. So I said, I'm built for hard landings. Lined up in the middle and I'll jump over it. Did I go over you?
You're definitely higher than me.
Hey, thanks for being good sports. Yeah. It'll make for a good Christmas card. It was actually a pretty good sized jump too. You know, I usually don't jump the Matrix, but it actually flew pretty good. You know, the landing, I don't think you could make a landing going uphill into a face like real cushy, but we made it through. It was pretty awesome. Probably checked the box. I bet we measured, it's probably close to 108.
Oh, for sure.
I just wrapped up snowmobiling, which is always my jam. Love snowmobiling, but imagine this. I'm riding snowmobile, Minnesota, end of April, a ski hill to myself with 2 guys and groomers willing to do whatever. That alone is a dream. So to think that's just the start of my dream day, it's crazy to even say.
Actually, he was like talking throughout the.
Oh, yeah! Extreme!
Okay, got a little on my shirt. 3:30 p.m. We've arrived at the motocross track. 2 hours and 15 minutes of driving, a quick stop for some lunch and a Red Bull, and now it's stop 2 of 3. It's dirt bike time. We're gonna go throw some dirt around. I love this part too. Oh goodness.
You know what you're doing?
Most times I know a little. I always have a plan. Sometimes I'll say it's not a good plan, but. I took number 1 in the whip contest in the compound today. Dude, number 1. That's why I love a personal track. You win every time.
That was the most intense thing I've done all day.
5:30, boat's hooked up, 2 down, 1 to go. We're going to the lake. All right, we're in the boat. This is 3 of 3. Snowmobile, dirt bike, wakeboard. I'm not in the water yet. I got my ankles wet. It's cold. April is cold water still. Last year the ice was still, this lake was completely iced over until May. We're gonna let her rip.
How cool is today, buddy?
Epic. It's been epic. Yeah. Snowmobiling, dirt biking, watching Levi and Zelman, and now close it out, sunset, wakeboard sesh.
Yeah, it is ace.
Oh, get it over!
Yeah.
7 o'clock, we're on the lake. We're ending this dream day in style. All right, that's it. That's dream day. Snowmobile, dirt bike, wakeboard. It was awesome. A little brisk, we'll say, out on the water, but man, check the box. That was like literally, I've been waiting for many, many years to do all 3 in one day, and it just happened right now. And look at this sunset. It's just going right now. This is a dream right here. Absolute dream day.
Way to go, buddy.
That's a perfect day.
Give your high five for that day, too. Way to go.
That was my dream day. Thanks for being a part.
Yeah, buddy. Woo!